There's mummy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play. Trick or treat, give us something sweet.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And this is Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
Okay guys, we're back with another great video that we're putting together for you. So today we're going to put together the animated circus clown from Lowe's, the one that he's standing on the pins upside down and his head spins around. So we're going to put this together and then we're going to let you see what it looks like. And that way maybe if you want to go get one, you'll be able to. We just got done putting in Home Depot the trio together, and we made a video that's on here too if you want to watch it. We're going to put this out in our little circus area that we got. We got a gazebo that we're turning into like a circus tent. So with that being said, let's get started.
Insert and snap lock the head onto the body. Connect the wire located on the head module to the control box. Connect the human sensor wire located on the body. And connect the wire located on the legs to the control box and the square pole.
All right, guys, so this is just a little more difficult than the Home Depot one was, putting it together. Still not too bad, but a little bit more to it.
All right, so we just did M, N, and O. M, N, O. Secure the wire bundles to the square pole using the wire management clip.
All right, so the plug-in's down here on the bottom. And then you just screw it in.
Here's his sensor.
I think you wanted him before you ever did though. As soon as she seen him, that's what she wanted to go in there.
Yeah. It's up there.
That's pretty funny. So you definitely probably not going to be able to put him in the house because he's 8.5 foot tall. So as you can see, we got 10-foot ceilings, and I think he's higher than that. I think he's like 9.5. So you definitely have to put him out in dry weather or something. But
it says for indoor use.
I think he's got about 10-foot ceilings. Yeah, he's loud too.
So it says on the box, wherever the box went, for indoor use only. So covered patio, I'm sure would work as well.
And we're probably going to put him under a gazebo or make sure it's not going to, when we have our Halloween party, it's not going to get wet.
I like him. I think 10 out of 10. I think he's awesome. He gives that creepy little vibe. I do wish he would say more sayings.
And it was a little harder to put together than the Home Depot one and maybe the other ones we had. Not too bad, but it probably took extra 20 minutes just because the body's a little, you have to put the shoulders into the frame part, the hip part, you have to put them together. But other than that, wasn't bad at all. And we think he's pretty cool. Definitely go great with our circus stuff we have.
Yeah, I really like him. I think he's awesome. And he's tall. I love that. I love the real tall ones. And his face is really freaky looking. Let's see if I can.
Especially if it was a little less lit.
Yeah, he's got a mean little look, and I do like that. I'm pretty satisfied with him. I like him.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining in to us. If you got any comments or questions, please put them down below, and we'll get back with you as quick as possible. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we really, really appreciate it, because when you subscribe, it helps us out a lot. And that's all we have today. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.